Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. Wooden pallet furniture. Usually used in shipping, wooden pallets can be turned into sleek designs for both indoor and outdoor furniture. Using basic woodworking skills, wooden pallets can be turned into coffee tables, sofas, beds, chairs, patio seating, shoe cabinets, bookcases, kitchen worktops, and almost any piece of furniture you desire. Wooden pallets are eco-friendly and can withstand heavy weights and rough handling. They are inexpensive and sometimes free, and they look great for both indoor and outdoor furniture. Pallet setting areas are simple to construct. Usually all you have to do is stack a couple of pallets on top of one another and add one upright for a backrest, securing it in place with a few wood screws. By painting the pallets in a bold color, it creates a stunning focal point to the natural backdrop of a natural environment. The addition of a few comfortable cushions will let you enjoy your outside area late into the evening. Wooden pallet benches look great as indoor as well as patio garden furniture. They are not only inexpensive and eco-friendly, but durable as well. They can be quickly modified or redesigned to match a home's theme or decor. One area of your home that can really benefit from some pallet furniture is their garden or patio area. Outdoor furniture is expensive and may only be used for a few months out of the year. So this is another area where you can create an inviting setting without breaking the bank. Wooden furniture is stable, comfortable, interesting and, above all, very charming. Wooden furniture can be adapted to any kind of home. Normally, cottages and chalets are decorated with wooden furniture, and this helps to create an original and romantic look. But this style works well for the interior design of a studio apartment as well.